Hello food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are embarking on a saucy adventurous with a classic Italian favorites with a desi twist, desi red sauce spaghetti. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us on this delicious journey. Let's dive right into the world of pasta perfection. Boil a pot of water, add salt and cook the spaghetti. Drain and set it aside. In a pan, add oil, butter, finely chopped garlic, onions and saute them until they turn golden brown. Then add in all the vegetables that are mentioned in the description. You can customize the vegetables according to your taste. Now pour the tomato puree and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes and then add little water and stir them. Then add the tomato ketchup and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Later add on the cooked spaghetti to the sauce and toss until the spaghetti is well coated with the delicious desi sauce. And there you have it, our desi style spaghetti with a flavorful red sauce. Doesn't it look fantastic? The blend of spices, the richness of the red sauce and the perfectly cooked spaghetti. It's a desi comfort food at its best.